Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Kaji Fawaz Ahmed from Design and Dollar, and today I am going to teach you, or I'm going to show you that how Instagram works in the new update. And Instagram has changed its behavior in 2021. If you're new in my channel, then definitely you consider subscribing and comment down in the section what videos or what tutorials you want to learn in the future videos, and definitely press the bell icon. So without any further ado, let's get it started. And you can see there is my Instagram handle. If you haven't followed me on my Instagram, just go and follow by clicking on the follow button on Instagram. So this is my Instagram handle or account. So my name is Kaji Fawaz Ahmed, but my username is Designer Dollar. You can see it. And this is my Gmail account. You can mail me if you have any project for me regarding graphic design, video editing, or motion graphics. And this is my portfolios, or this is my work flows of my recent projects. And here I often upload my artwork. Elements are mixed because I often upload my work along with my photos and my local workflow, or some of the video tutorials you can watch from my Instagram. The latest update of Instagram is you can if you are on desktop, whether it on your PC or your Mac, you can see after going the Instagram, you can see there is a plus icon, and if you click on the plus icon, you can definitely create a new post or upload a video. So this is a new feature of 2021, and it is absolutely worth, because we all are used to upload our photos and videos through Instagram on our mobile. So from now you can easily access those features from your PC. So I am going to select the picture, and this is my latest or recent tutorial in Bangla language. This is the Bangla version because I am living in Bangladesh. I can use it as a template, and after clicking on the image or videos, you can crop as your taste. If you click on the cogwheel here, and you can easily crop it dimension of aspect ratio. So you can easily click on that things. Just you have to experience it. I just going to keep it the original size and click on the next. After going to the next, you can filter it out, or you can also adjust something. I'm going to just or the corner of the portion, and now you can use it as a filter. Now you can write down any caption, whatever you need. I just want to copy from my previous image, because these images are the same. Just go into there, and you can easily copy all the things from here. So this is the main feature of the Instagram. And again, you have to, the algorithm has been changed on Instagram. The Instagram now just only support around the 30 hashtags, but you have to keep it much shorter, because Instagram help you to increase your in a organic way, so that you have to keep the hashtags between 3 to 5, and this will increase your audience retention, or it will increase your engagement with the audience. So just after going these things, I made a mistake, because you can see I have lots of extra hashtags. I don't need it. I can also delete it from here. I just leave it as it is, and you can also click here the location. You can add the location here, and in accessibility you can easily access whatever you like, and you can turn off the comment, but I am not going to do it. I just click on the share, and boom, after a meanwhile you can see that you are good to go and your post has been published. and now you are good to go. So definitely it is the main feature. From now you can upload your videos or photos from Instagram on your PC or using your PC. And that's it. Do follow me on Instagram and subscribe this channel if this channel help you a lot. And if you have any queries, then definitely write down on the comment section. I will let you know if it possible for me to answer you. And hop up to the new edition of Instagram. Bye bye.